Vacqueyras is one of the most reputable appellations or AOCs in the Rhone valley of southeastern France, along with Gigondas, Beaumes-de-Venise and Chateauneuf-du-Pape. The village of Vacqueyras is located right at the foot of the Dentelles de Montmirail, one of the most remarkable mountain features of the Rhone valley, with its jagged-shaped peaks formed by Jurassic limestone. Vacqueyras makes wine of all colors, red, white and rosé, but its reputation of excellence comes mainly from the quality of its reds. The AOC regulations are similar to those of Chateauneuf-du-Pape, with wines made from blending different grapes, with Grenache making at least 50% of any final blend, while Syrah and Mourvèdre must together account for at least 20%. Other grapes such as Cinsault or Carignan are permitted. The white wines of Vacqueyras are made from variable blends of Grenache Blanc, Bourboulenc, Clairette, Marsanne, Roussanne or Viognier. The typical French pronunciation, Vacqueyras. Vacqueyras. Note that the S of Vacqueyras is not silent in this case. You may hear some people say Vacqueyras without pronouncing the S, but the local French accent in this part of southern France implies pronouncing the final S in this case. So Vacqueyras. You can say with an English pronunciation Vacqueyras. Vacqueyras. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to let me know and support my work. Have a look around my YouTube channel where I share the passion and knowledge of wine, and I will see you soon indeed in the wonderful world of vino. Au revoir. Bye bye.